Have you ever wondered how to make a consistent $10 daily with cryptocurrencies? In this rapidly evolving digital age, there are numerous strategies to consider, from trading and holding to staking and mining. You can also explore airdrops and faucets, day trading, arbitrage, lending and borrowing, or even participate in yield farming and liquidity provision. Affiliate programs offer another avenue. Now remember, each method comes with its own set of risks and rewards. Let's delve into each of these methods in more detail. Trading, holding, and staking are popular methods of earning with cryptocurrencies. Trading is all about buying low and selling high. It's like a game of chess. You need to strategically plan your moves. You need to grasp the subtleties of technical analysis and market trends and have a solid handle on risk management. The aim is to make smaller, more frequent trades that can add up to your daily goal. Then there's holding, or as the crypto community likes to call it, hodling. This is a long-term game. You buy cryptocurrencies and hold on to them, banking on their value to increase over time. Patience is key here, as well as a firm belief in the future potential of your chosen coins. Staking, on the other hand, involves holding and locking your coins to earn rewards. The earnings from staking can be as unpredictable as the weather, varying widely based on the coin and platform you choose. These methods require an initial investment and a strategic approach. Mining, airdrops, and faucets, and day trading are other ways to earn daily with cryptocurrencies. Let's dive into each method. First off, mining. This requires specific hardware and a good degree of technical expertise. The profitability of mining hinges on factors like electricity costs and the current state of the mining network. It's not for everyone, but if you've got the know-how and resources, it can be a profitable venture. Next, we have airdrops and faucets. These are ways projects distribute free tokens. While they might not net you $10 a day on their own, regular participation can provide a small but steady passive income. It's like finding spare change in your couch cushions. Lastly, day trading. This involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies within a single trading day to capitalize on short-term price fluctuations. It demands careful analysis, risk management, and constant market monitoring. These methods offer different ways to interact with the cryptocurrency market. Arbitrage, lending and borrowing, yield farming and liquidity provision, and affiliate programs are additional methods to consider. Arbitrage involves buying low on one exchange and selling high on another, potentially earning a profit. Lending your crypto can earn you interest, while borrowing allows leverage. Yield farming and liquidity provision in DeFi platforms can be rewarding but risky. Affiliate programs offer commissions for referrals. These methods require a keen understanding of the market and careful risk management. Earning a consistent $10 daily with cryptocurrencies is possible, but requires strategy and diligence. We've explored trading, holding, mining, and more. Each method requires understanding and risk management. Remember, the cryptocurrency market is speculative and highly volatile. While you can make money, you can also lose it quickly. Always invest responsibly.